Welcome back, guys. Right now a huge news basically come out regarding the YouTube and Bitcoin scam for Coinbase CEO Live Emma. Here you can see a popular YouTube channel has been hijacked and is currently live streaming a purported Ask Me Anything Emma with Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong. However, the stream, which appears to have been running for 12 hours at press time on April 6, is a scam, encouraging users to send BTC payment with the promise of a non-existent 5000 BTC giveaway. In the past, you can say maximum in 2 months, we also saw the same thing. At that time, basically YouTube banned all the crypto channels because the number of multiple things were over there, in which they basically told that if you are going to send us, for example, 1 Ethereum, we are going to give you 5 Ethereum. If you are going to send us 1 BTC, they are going to send us 5 BTC. So that entirely is a scam. So all the viewers and all the subscribers, it is my request, because you all are entirely, you can say, important for me, seriously, and I don't want to waste your even a single fund. So every time, whenever you are going to see any type of this type of streaming, kindly do me a favor and also do a favor for yourself, that first of all you have to send a scam report to YouTube against them. Here you can see it by yourself that already they did basically more than, you can say, 7.2 BTC stolen so far, with a value of over $51,200 at press time. That is entirely bad. So every time, save your funds. Here you can see YouTube, Coinbase, and the top 10s. YouTube did not immediately respond to Cointelegraph's request for comment. This article will be updated should they respond. So that is the huge thing. Basically, most of the scammers did the same thing. So kindly, every time, save yourself, because not any type of admin is going to basically give away any type of BTC or Ethereum at this time, as per my point of view and as per my basically, you can say, whole vision. And you must have to understand this thing, and you have to save your funds. Before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon, and also follow us on all the social media, where I every day share number of things with you. Today we are going to talk about the huge pump in cryptocurrency market, in the coin market cap. Here you can see each and everything right now. At the time of the video, basically BTC price is 7200 at this time, and main dominance of BTC is around 64.5% of the whole market. That is entirely a good thing, and every coin is going uptrend. So that is such a great thing for all the users and especially the traders. But what is the reason behind that? That is basically the main issue. So basic reason is this. Here you can see Bitcoin retakes $7,000 as stock market continues to mount comeback. Here you can read each and everything. Somehow, some way, the price of Bitcoin has continued to show resilience after March, basically the 12th of March. At that time, basically BTC go down. Now the cryptocurrency trades at $7,100, up 5% in the past day, and up 20% basically last week, lows at just under $5,900. The cryptocurrency latest bout of strength comes as the stock market has managed to mount a strong comeback despite the coronavirus outbreak, and economic conditions continue to weaken on the weekend. Here you can see optimized by the 6.6 million jobless claims in the US alone last week. It means when basically people are jobless, what they are going to do, they are going to invest the funds in cryptocurrency market, okay, for the living and everything. So for that very reason, definitely the BTC price will definitely pump more. Even in maximum, you can say, in hardly basically in next week, you can see a more plunge uptrend of BTC price very soon. And here I will show you another news of basically a exchange CEO forecast the crypto market uptick in coming weeks. So here you can see, as the world sits in flux between coronavirus and financial market concerns, AX crypto exchange CEO Thorchain thinks the cryptocurrencies will ultimately make out okay. During a period of intense panic, many investors fled the market in search of cash or to defend their positions elsewhere. Chan told the Merkel in a March 30 interview referencing recent plunging crypto and mainstream markets. The cryptocurrency market suffered together with all other markets because, as I am telling you again and again, now basically people are going to invest their fiat currency in crypto market. So definitely you can see a huge plunge in cryptocurrency market and especially in the price of BTC. So stay tuned with us and I'm going to share every news with you. First, okay, I'm trying my level best that I will share my all the news with at the first point with you. So at this time, if you have any type of tokens, you have to hold them because again you can see a huge pump in altcoins and also in the main coins. So if you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot for being with me. Thank you.